Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com. Today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two cookware brands will be going head-to-head. We have Calphalon and Cuisinart. Whether you're a kitchen beginner, an experienced enthusiast, or a working professional, investing in great, reliable kitchenware is always a great idea. In this video, we'll be looking at two of the best cookware brands on the market, Calphalon and Cuisinart. Both of them have garnered a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, so we'll go into full detail to find out which one comes out on top. If you're interested in the other cookware that we reviewed, to check out our review link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. First things first, let's talk about their materials and durability. Bases for most Calphalon cookware are made of hard anodized aluminum. Because of this, their cookware is much stronger and transfers heat better. Aside from this, their premier nonstick pan has a 40% longer lifespan than the classic model, while Cuisinart, on the other hand, only offers a small number of pans with hard anodized aluminum. The other products are composed of regular aluminum, which is less durable and scratches more easily. While this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, it's hard to make a case for it when the competition is going above and beyond in this department. As reliable as Cuisinart is with its branding of durable and long-lasting cookware, the data clearly shows that Calphalon is on a whole other level when it comes to its products' materials and durability. That said, they win the first round. For the next round, let's discuss these cookware's cooking performance. When it comes to boiling, stewing, grilling, and frying, both Cuisinart and Calphalon deliver excellent results. To be specific, tri-ply cookware from both brands generally heats up faster and keeps the heat in place longer, especially on the sides. With these tools, you can cook faster and more evenly, cutting down on the time you need to spend in the kitchen while raising the quality of your meals. In our oven testing, we discovered that Cuisinart cookware can tolerate temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas Calphalon cookware is 50 degrees short of the competition with 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Clearly, if you want the greatest performance possible from your kitchenware, you can't go wrong with either of these reliable brands. But still, if we had to choose a favorite, it would be the Cuisinart cookware because of its highly impressive resistance to high temperatures. Last but not least, we're going to cover how much these cookware brands cost over their catalog of products. Given that they're considered to be the best ones out there, it comes as no surprise that investing in these brands will cost you a couple of $100s at the very least. Calphalon cookware is more expensive than most brands, which is one of the reasons it is regarded as premium. When compared to the Cuisinart, however, its classic 14-piece nonstick set costs around $100 more. As far as their stainless steel sets go, both sets' price points are very comparable. In terms of tri-ply sets, however, Calphalon sells an 8-piece set made of stainless steel for around $100 more than Cuisinart's 12-piece set. Clearly, the pricing of both cookware brands is a mixed bag depending on the materials they're made of. While there isn't enough data to show us that one brand is more worth it when it comes to its pricing, there's no denying that Calphalon sells its cookware at a more premium price with better materials. With a final score of 2-1, Calphalon narrowly wins over Cuisinart as the ultimate cookware brand that you can invest in today. This doesn't mean, however, that Cuisinart cookware don't make for a worthwhile purchase. If you want to purchase high-quality cookware on a tight budget, then it's a great brand option to go with. If you also want something lightweight that's easy to lift, move, and wash, then it also makes perfect sense to go Cuisinart. On the other hand, we believe that Calphalon is the best option for anyone who's prepared to spend a little more money on an investment that'll last a lifetime. We believe that the brand is very right to charge a steep premium for its cookware because of the noticeable high quality of its products. Calphalon, without question, has the best cookware on the market today. And there you have it, folks. The battle between Calphalon and Cuisinart has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next cookware face-off that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.